Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe as well as leave a comment. In today's video, we will be discussing 6 ways to prepare your elderly loved ones for an easy post-retirement life. 6 ways to prepare your elderly loved ones for an easy post-retirement life. Retirement is an exciting time for many elderly loved ones, a period of freedom and adventure that comes with the opportunity to do all the things they've been dreaming of. But as we approach retirement age, it also can be overwhelming as our lives drastically change from full-time work and bustling schedules to relaxed days at home or out in nature. It is essential to provide your elderly family members with emotional security during this transition by helping them prepare their post-retirement life so it doesn't cause difficult surprises down the road. With some thoughtful consideration now, you can help make sure your parents or grandparents enjoy an active and smooth life after retirement. In this video, we will discuss 6 ways to prepare for a successful retirement experience, financial planning, health/wellness assessment, and understanding caregiving needs. Help them with legal and financial matters, set up their will, power of attorney, and estate plans to ensure their wishes are carried out. When it comes to legal and financial matters, it's important to be proactive and take control of your future. By setting up important documents like a will, power of attorney, and estate plan, you can protect your assets and ensure that your wishes are carried out. It may seem overwhelming at first, but with the right guidance and resources, you can navigate these processes with confidence. Remember that these documents are not just for the wealthy or elderly, but for anyone who wants to protect themselves and their loved ones. Don't wait until it's too late to start planning for your future. Take control now and secure your peace of mind. Get them medical assistance arranged for regular checkups with a doctor or specialist to monitor any existing health conditions. It's important to take care of our health, and that includes getting regular checkups from a doctor or specialist. Whether you have an existing health condition or not, keeping up with medical appointments can help catch any potential problems before they become more serious. Not only that, but a healthcare professional can provide guidance on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle and manage any ongoing conditions. So don't wait until you feel sick to see a doctor. Make regular checkups a priority in your health routine. Your body will thank you for it. Encourage them to stay connected to the community. Introduce them to social activities and volunteer opportunities that they can take part in. Staying connected to the community can be an enriching experience that provides a sense of fulfillment and belonging. There are plenty of opportunities for social activities and volunteer work that can help seniors stay engaged with their surroundings and form meaningful connections with others. Whether it's participating in local charity events or joining a community choir, there are countless ways to get involved and make a positive impact. By introducing seniors to these types of activities, we can help them stay active, vibrant, and involved in the world around them. Let's work together to keep our seniors connected to the community they call home. Create a budget plan. Help them create a budget by outlining all their sources of income and expenses. Creating a budget plan can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, it is a task that anyone can accomplish. The first step is to outline your sources of income, which can include your salary, investments, or any other ways in which you earn money. Once you have a clear idea of your income, it's time to take a look at your expenses. This might include rent, utility bills, groceries, transportation, and any other costs that are necessary for your daily life. By tracking your income and expenses and making a plan for how you will allocate your funds, you can take control of your finances and feel confident in your ability to manage your money effectively. Whether you are saving up for a big purchase or simply want to feel more financially secure, creating a budget plan is the first step towards achieving your goals. Make sure they have adequate insurance coverage. Ensure they have sufficient life insurance, health insurance, and long-term care insurance policies. As we go through life, it's important to make sure we have the right insurance coverage to protect ourselves and our loved ones. One area to focus on is life insurance. Having sufficient life insurance means that your loved ones will be financially supported in case something unexpected happens. But life insurance isn't the only type of coverage to consider. Health insurance is crucial for ensuring that we have access to quality health care when we need it. And long-term care insurance can help cover the costs of care in our golden years. So, Take the time to review your insurance coverage and make sure you have adequate protection for all of life's twists and turns. Keep track of changes in their health. Keep a journal of any changes in condition or medications taken so that you can keep track of their progress. Use a service called eLivelihood to help reduce stress and keep all things in one place. Keeping track of your loved one's health is an important responsibility. By creating a journal of any changes in their health conditions or medications taken, you can easily track their progress and share this information with doctors and caretakers. However, this process can add stress to an already overwhelming situation. That's where eLivelihood comes in. This service offers a centralized location to manage all aspects of caregiving, including health tracking. With eLivelihood, you can reduce the burden of managing multiple resources and have peace of mind that all important information is in one place. Start using eLivelihood today to help simplify your caregiving journey. Taking care of your elderly parents or loved ones is an important task that requires organization, dedication, and patience. While taking on this responsibility is a noble act, it can be difficult to manage at times. It is up to you to make sure that their legal and financial matters are in order, to ensure they receive proper medical care and attention, stay connected to the community through social activities and volunteer opportunities, have a sufficient budget plan in place, and proper insurance coverage for any future medical needs. Tracking changes in their health is also essential so that you can note any progress over time. All these steps together will ensure that your elderly loved ones live comfortably, i.e. valued lifestyle, with the peace of mind they deserve knowing all of their affairs are taken care of. Take action today and enjoy a free 30-day subscription to eLivelihood with promo code JRFinancial2023. You'll have the freedom to explore the site and take advantage of all it has to offer. Don't let caregiving become a burden. Simplify your journey with eLivelihood. With their help and knowledge, you can be confident that your elderly parent or loved ones remain healthy financially as well as physically while they continue to create new memories with family and friends. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Use the link in the description to get started today.